What's up guys, I'm back for another video, and this time I'm going to be cleaning out the engine bay. I'm actually going to be spraying it down and cleaning it up, scrubbing out all the grease. That way it's actually nice for when I start painting it up. I'm probably going to take out this hose right here because it's for the evap canister, so it doesn't go anywhere. It's getting burnt up by the turbo. So I guess I'm going to take that out, but first I'm gonna clean out the mess that I have in the front of the car. So on cleaning the bay, I took off the bracket that was holding the stock airbox in the way. So, looks a lot cleaner. Probably gotta grind this up when I'm gonna paint it, but for right now I'm just trying to degrease everything. So, everything's looking a lot better. I took the brake lines out so I could scrub the whole frame rail. And it's not looking bad. This is the second time I sprayed it, so it's still a little bit of grime on there, but getting a lot better. I'm actually surprised how much just the scrub is going to work. I was thinking I was going to need a pressure washer and have to find a way to do this. These small crevices right here probably need like a toothbrush or something smaller to scrub in there. I'm going to try using the big scrubber, but we'll see what happens. But it's not looking bad. I might try getting in there just to clean that off. But yeah, got to get in there also, but it's not looking bad. So I guess kinda almost halfway there. Alright, I unbolted the clutch. Take this out. That way I could clean in there. And yeah. Seems like this is the last spot I really gotta try freshening up before I jump to the other side. The other side should be simpler since I don't have anything over there really. I just have the washer motor. But yeah, everything's looking not that bad. Like I said, I gotta get like a small toothbrush or something to get just the small pieces. But after I clean everything up, I'll probably get some brake fluid before I actually start painting. That way to get off all the little grime that's on here. So I could prime it, paint it, and it'd look a lot better. So, yeah, let's get into this. I'm going to clean that out, and then I'll catch back once that's cleaned up a little bit. Alright, so that's it degreased and rinsed off. And it looks pretty good. Some of the paint's messed up because when the brake fluid, pretty much brake fluid problems. But everything's sorted there. So once I paint it, don't have to worry about that anymore. But it's looking pretty nice. I might try actually scrubbing on this because what I did back here is I put a flathead in and I was just rubbing it back and forth with the towel and it cleaned it up pretty nice. I gotta get down here, but it's looking pretty good. Just gonna do that and then jump to the other side. was some surface rust behind all that grease. Luckily it's not that deep, so I could probably just grind this off and then primer it. That way it doesn't rust again. And then when I paint it, it should be good. Back here, I'm going to take off this brake line that's going to the caliper. That way I could do the rest of the frame rail. But everything cleaned off pretty easily on this side. And it's wild because the oil filter and the sandwich plate and all that is on this side of the engine. But all this isn't even that bad. So it's whatever though. So I'm just going to, I guess, take that brake line off and then scrub the rest of that frame rail, and I should be done for the frame rails and the sides, and then I'm going to work on the actual firewall. It looks pretty nice in here. I'm not completely done yet. When I'm actually going to start primering it, I'm going to spray it down with like water, maybe another coat of degreaser. That way everything's perfectly clear and good to go. I don't have enough like clean towels to actually clean it up nice, but next time I come, I'm going to bring everything I need and I should be good to go. Still haven't found anyone to weld this up for me. So if worst comes to worst, when I get the car back up and running, I'll just paint everything, cut out the plates that I need, get someone to weld them up, and then I'll paint them at a different time. But it would be perfect if I could find someone with a portable welder maybe to come and weld this up for me. But everything's looking nice. I'm probably, honestly, I might paint it with the booster in here because it's not like anyone's going to see it without a booster. And getting in there and taking out the bolts from the inside of the car with like 2 inches from the wall on both sides isn't going to be the funnest thing in the world. So, I mean, everything's pretty much done. I just got to work on finding someone to weld this. That's it for today. It's probably a short video. I'm not really sure, but I guess that's it. Last week there wasn't a video because I went to go skate with a friend. I got a few clips that I guess I'll put in after this. But thanks for watching. If you like, subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.
I got royalty inside my DNA. Cocaine quarter piece, got war and peace inside my DNA. I got power, poison, pain, and joy inside my DNA. I got hustle, though.